Here is 5 same size rectangle, and this one half, this one 2 by 4, this one 3 by 6, this one 4 by 8, and this one 5 by 10. Observing this picture, we can tell half is equal 2 by 4, 2 by 4 is equal 3 by 6, 3 by 6 equal 4 by 8, and 5 by 10 is also same. If we observe first to last, we are observing all are is equal half. Though all the fraction is equal, we can call this equivalent fraction. So we can call half, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8, 5 by 10 are equivalent fractions. Today's topic is equivalent fraction. Then what is equivalent fractions? If the fractions which have same value each other is called equivalent fractions. If we observe this picture, we are seeing half, 2 by 4, 3 by 8 and 4 by 8, 5 by 10. All the fractions have same value. So these fractions are equivalent to each other. Now we are going to solve 87 page 10 number. Question is write the equivalent fraction in the blank. You have to find 3 by 4's 6 equivalent fractions, and you have to fill the blanks with that number. 2 is done for you, and left you have to solve. Here 2 is numerator, 3 is denominator. We have to multiply both numerator and denominator with same number except 0. Here I have multiplied with 100 both numerator and denominator, and obtaining result is the equivalent fraction. Here 200 are 200 and 300 are 300. So 100 by 300 equivalent to 2 by 3. Like this, we have to find total 6 equivalent fraction for solving for books math. I am repeating this process again. 2 by 3, any number except 0, taking 2. Though I have take here 2, then I have to take here also 2. 2 to the 4 and 3 to the 6. This one also equivalent to 2 by 3. Again I am taking 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9. I am taking 4 here, 4 to the 6, 3, 4 the 12. Again taking 2, 6, 2, 3 multiplied by 6, 3, 6 to the 12, 3, 6 the 18, 2, 8 the 16, 3, 8 the 18. Or 6 equivalent fraction, 200 by 300, 4 by 6, 9 by 6, 6 by 12, 12 by 18 and 16 by 18. Use the models to complete the equivalent fraction sentence. The color pieces in each model show parts of a whole. Here, with the help of fraction pictures, you have to fill the gaps and complete the sentences. Here, 1 by half. This one represents 2 by 4, and you have to fill the gaps. Here is the full sentence. No more today. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.